Hello friends and fans. So today is a very special day, and so I have decided to celebrate this very special day with a very special clock to me. So 5 years ago today, my clock collecting journey first began. And it began with the purchase of this clock. If you have seen my clock collection videos from the past, I'm sure you all will be familiar with this clock, but for those who haven't, this is my first ever Junghans Westminster chiming bracket clock. The clock was made in 1911, and in many ways, internally, it is very much your typical Westminster chiming Junghans clock from that era. It chimes Westminster every 15 minutes on 4 rods, strikes on a 5th. An interesting tidbit about the history of this clock since I've had it. As I said, it was made in 1911. However, last year, the original movement met with a disaster when the chime mainspring let go. And so I have replaced the movement with one from a little bit earlier, from 1908. Very, very similar design. The case itself, I think, is, I don't know if I'd call it unique, but definitely one of the more uncommon ones. Actually, I don't know if I've ever come across one like this before, and I'm so happy to have this clock. I am so happy that it led to me discovering this great hobby, collecting and studying and analyzing these great old antique machines, and I thought I would share it with you all today.